pulling the big block. The 6.0. Oh wait, did I mention that we have a forge? The ghost in the house isn't happy that I spent that money, I guess, but did I mention we have a Forge 6.0 in the S10 now? Say what? But we'll talk about that later. I'm gonna get the big block out of this truck. Mama is out here doing the spark plugs and some stuff on her truck, which we just threw some new tires on. It's just looking good. Ooh. Is this how I get the views?
I didn't know you were filming.
Let's get this thing out of here.
Thousand years later.
So today would be day 2 of Struggle Bus. You're looking at that going, why are you holding a piece of 8 in front of your face, Joe? And that's because that did replace this line, or this line replaced that line. So obviously we got this back together. I mean, should have said that to begin with. Ta-da! 6.0 S10. Building fuel pressure for the first start yesterday. That line exploded and sprayed fuel everywhere. I was just done for the day. I didn't want to do anything else. I'm back. I got it together. Of course, all the parts stores had no 8A in. Nothing that I could use. Everybody I know local, nothing. So I have my fittings from the old line. I have the old line. I ran to the local Tractor Supply fitting place. And I grabbed a push lock JIC. And then the only piece of 8A they had that was actually smaller internal diameter, so I had to like heat these with water and yeah, ramble. Let's start this piece of shit. So after driving around 4 different places yesterday, trying to film this video over the last 2-3 days, something like that, we see the 6.0 truck. I don't even know what that film was, that clip was right there. I can't even talk, I'm so tired. I did not get the line I needed. I had to cobble together this push lock setup with this dash 8, and this is dash 8 on the outside, but not on the inside. So it's actually leaking. It did let me warm the truck up and do a little testing and, you know, just the basics to get it to go again. But we're gonna now do another day of driving around and trying to not get dash 10. I don't know how I bought dash 10 instead of dash 8. That was a very stupid mistake on my part, but yeah, I'm tired. The last few days have just been beat. This thing has been taking it out of me, so let's go get some lines. And with that, we got junk finished for once. If you're new here, this is our short bed S10. It is was a stock bottom in 5.3. Is now a built 6.0, just a piston and rod motor. We have twin 3582Rs from VS Racing, 244mm gates, no blow off valve, Rev 9 intercooler, 65 Mustang radiator. The truck is super budget, super built by me, average Joe. An idiot, obviously, so I don't know what I'm doing, but that's great. It's done amazing burnouts. We're just getting to the point where we're starting to get traction with this thing, so we'll be taking it drag racing hopefully in the next 2 weeks. We'll find out. But right now it is Turbo 400 with a brake, Holly Terminator X, one crappy little seat, a steering wheel, a stock 10 bolt rear end that's welded, Snake Eater 1500cc injectors, and that is about it. We've had it on 8 pounds of boost. Does not get traction anywhere near 100 miles an hour yet, so we will be adding more boost and more tire. We have some Mickeys sitting around for it that we'll be putting back on, but after blowing it up, I was super down on motivation for this truck. And now, ta-da, it's back, it's alive. And we're gonna go ahead, warm it up, get the idle air control motor, or the IACV park set where it's supposed to be, because I'm idling with like 20% IACV, which I should have like 5%, I think. I don't know. So we'll verify that real fast, and we'll get you guys ready for a wash and a test drive, I guess. I don't know. It's been a while. I guess we started. Just did a quick wash on it, make sure all the fluids look good and everything. We'll go back over the truck a little bit in a few minutes once we test it out. I did not pull the trans when I did the motor. I just scooted it back and everything, and just making sure the fluid's good. Goes through all 3 gears still. Everything's the way it should be. So let's get this thing out. We got the GoPro set up. Switch you guys over real quick. But before we do, let's obviously... Sounds good. So let's get you guys switched and do some driving. Average Joe builds, right? We're out of here. I didn't do a burnout in that truck. Did it in this truck. What the?